Here are the images of a few members of the animal world. What is common to all these animals? They are all living things. They eat, breathe, grow, move from one place to another, and multiply. Yet, there are differences between them as well. Based on these differences, we can group them into mammals, birds, insects, and fish. Let's find out more. Let's take another look at some of the animals we know. Some animals have hair on their bodies to protect them from heat and cold. These animals are mammals. Mammals give birth to young animals like themselves. Can you think of another mammal you know? Human beings, of course. We are also mammals. Here is something interesting about human beings as mammals. They do not have a very heavy growth of hair on their bodies. Therefore, they need to wear woolens to protect themselves from the cold. These woolens are made from the hair of another mammal, the sheep. All mammals have some similar characteristics. 2 eyes, 2 ears, a nose, and a mouth. Most mammals have 4 limbs to help them move around. Now, let's look at animals that do not have hair. Some of them are birds. Most birds have a head, 2 wings, 2 eyes, 2 legs, and a beak. However, they look different because of different sizes, shapes, and colors of feathers. For example, peacocks are recognized for their beautiful feathers. They spread these feathers and dance in the rain. Feathers, like hair in mammals, help protect birds from heat and cold. Match the other features of birds to their function. Insects are also hairless animals. Some of them have wings and can fly. All insects have 6 legs. One insect is commonly found in wet areas, in kitchens and bathrooms. Can you name this insect? Cockroach, of course. It has wings as well as 6 legs. And see those ants carrying food away? They are also insects. Finally, let's consider fish. Fish live in ponds, lakes, rivers, seas. They can be big and small. You will have seen many small fish in home aquariums. The shark is an example of a big fish. Just as mammals have hair and birds have feathers, fish have scales on their bodies to protect them. And what helps the fish to swim? Fins help the fish to swim in water. In fact, scuba divers also wear rubber or plastic fins on their feet to help them swim. Did you know the tiny bat and the huge whale are both mammals? However, we often mistake bats for birds and whales for fish.